Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to Focus AI. A very basic question like starting machine learning, which is what is machine learning? Now, there are various answers, but I try to tell you the most simplistic answer that I do follow whenever someone, a non technical background, asks me that what is this AI or what is this machine learning? So, for that, we have to understand how traditional programming works. Now, you all know, just it's a recap. So we have a black box. Maybe it's a program. I don't know. Maybe it's a Python program, a C program, or a Java program, but it's a black box. We don't know. It's a traditional programming black box. What it takes? It takes two things: input and the rules. What is rules? Rules are those which process the input and gives you output. So it gives input, it takes rule, process the input and gives you output. So this is how traditional programming works. Then what is machine learning and how does that work? Now this is something. Again, it is a black box. Maybe a programming language, maybe a framework, maybe a AI framework or a deep learning framework, a machine learning framework. We don't know, but it's a machine learning black box. Here it is expecting an input or a series of inputs, but it doesn't expect a rule. It respects the outputs or the corresponding outputs for each individual input. It process and it generate rules. So in traditional programming, we are actually giving rules inside the black box and getting the outputs. Here it is reverse. We are actually give it out inputs and outputs towards the black box and it is generating rules. Once that rule is generated, it is fed back to the black box along with similar kind of inputs. And what we are expecting? Some predicted outputs. So in the first phase, we call it a training. We often heard terms training a model, training a machine learning model. What is this? It is the simple this thing, this forward, this forward pass. Inputs, outputs fade into black box, generate rules. So this is how the training process gone. Once the training process has been done, that rule is fed into this black box along with similar kind of inputs, maybe similar distribution of inputs, and we are expecting some outputs. Now this output is not exactly what we expect. These are the predicted outputs. So one thing you have to remember, machine learning does not give you accurate output every time. There are probabilities involved. So everything we have to learn, we will go step by step. So this is machine learning. Why machine learning? I mean, why should we use machine learning? Now, the very first thing, it's actually a myth, but it's not true. If someone says that every problem has a solution and it's through machine learning, no, it's not. As I have said, if there is no explicit rule that you can generate, then machine learning comes at your rescue. If you can generate rules and you can get output, then go for traditional programming always. Machine learning is not always an option. Machine learning is an option where you are unable to generate explicit rules. So you are providing inputs, you are providing corresponding outputs, and you are generating rules, and you are feeding back to the black box or the algorithm and expecting some kind of output. So if explicit rules are available, then always go for traditional programming because machine learning output is not accurate. Now think like something. You have written some program. Now you are given an image of a red apple. Now you are told that okay, you have to give output that what is this fruit. So how do you explicitly create a program or explicitly create a rule that will say that okay, if this image has these things, then it is an apple. If this image has this is an orange. Can you do that? Just think. Yes, one thing you can go like the color. Okay, maybe. But no. Like strawberry has also the same color like apple. So here you are unable to generate an explicit rule. So in that case, you have to go for machine learning. You have to give, say, thousands of apple images and thousands of orange images as an input, and as an output, you have to label each of the apple images as apple and each of the orange images as orange, and feed into your machine learning model. It will be trained and it will generate some rules. I will tell you what are those rules. Those are actually features we can say. Okay. So it will generate some rule. And then when using that rule, you will give a picture of an orange. It will try to predict, okay, this might be an orange based on the rule it has generated. So as an end note, always remember, if there is a rule, explicit rule is possible, go for traditional programming. If not, machine learning is there. Okay, so this video is till that point. So thank you very much and happy machine learning.